Hey there, Creatorpreneurs. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Mark Sylvester, and today I'm going to show you how to make money by legally selling our Laughingbird Software products. Selling other people's software is easy because you don't have to create the product, you don't have to answer any tech support, and you don't need any money to start selling. So let me show you in 10 minutes how to do this. I'm going to jump on my computer and show you. Okay, here we are on the main Laughingbird Software page. And to get there, just go to laughingbirdsoftware.com. So if you don't know 100% what we sell a graphics software tool called the Graphics Creator 8. The main software contains 40 templates that come built in with it, but you can purchase add-on packs. So to find the add-on packs, you can scroll down the home page and you can click on the first icon, which will take you to the add-on packs. There's a motion graphics package. We have a logo creator and business card pack. We have templates for blogs. We have something called the scenery creator. And under each of these videos, you'll see the word demo. And when you click on the demo for the scenery creator, it'll show you a short video on what's inside that package. Okay, you got the idea. So, Laughingbird Software sells the main product, which is the graphics creator, and these add-on sets. And these add-on sets are what you're going to want to resell. And Laughingbird has about 15 different products. There's a e-cover and mock-up creator, pre-made mascot characters that my brother Dave Sylvester has created. We have a whole template set of people images. So, these are what you're going to want to resell. Now, to resell, we're going to go back to the home page, and now I'm going to show you how you can legally sell the software and make 40% of every sale. And if you sell more, you'll eventually be able to make 50% of each sale. Let me show you. So come down here on the home page again, and we're going to go to the icon that says Become an Affiliate. So you just click it. And when you come to this page, it's going to show you some information about what it is you're going to be selling and what kind of money you can make for it, okay, and why you should sell it. 90-day cookies, I'll talk about that in a second. Okay, so all you're going to want to do is come up here to Become an Affiliate and click on it. And then it's going to ask you to fill in some information like your first name and what username you want to be. You can be called anything you want. For example, my name is Mark Sylvester. My username might be Laughingbird, you know, that kind of thing. My account email that I want to log into the account with, and my payment email, which is typically a PayPal email address. So when we pay you, it'll be sent into your PayPal email. Then you're going to want to put in your website URL because that's what we're going to look at to see what kind of site you are, to see if you're not, you know, like a scammer or something like that. So this is an important thing for us. When you fill this all out, we see your information in our admin area, and it helps us determine if we're going to accept you as an affiliate or not. Most times we'll accept you. This one now, how will you promote us? You can say things, I'm going to create YouTube videos, or you're going to say I have a whole page of other people's products, I want to put yours there, that kind of thing. Okay? Then you're going to create a password, confirm the password, and you can agree to the Laughingbird Software privacy policy, and if you click on it, another tab opens with the privacy policy, which is, you know, standard stuff. Then you say, I'm not a robot. If you're a robot, don't click that. And then register, and you're good. Okay, a day or so later, once we've accepted you, you're going to come back to the home page. Actually, in the email that you're going to get in your welcome letter, you're going to get a URL to click on. It'll take you directly to the page I'm about to show you. But come back to the Laughingbird Software site and click on Become an Affiliate. And this time, when you want to become an affiliate, since you're already an affiliate, when you click it, it'll go to a different page. Okay, the first thing you're going to see is your affiliate URL. So this is the URL that you're going to paste into your website. So every time somebody clicks on this link, let's go to incognito really quick and pretend I clicked on the link. Your customer is going to come to our homepage. They're going to come here. and they're going to find some graphics software, like they want to have the logo creator, and they're going to want to purchase it, okay? Now, all they're going to do is just purchase the software, but magically behind the scenes, that link actually dropped a cookie on your customer's computer that says you're the person that's about to get compensated for the sale. So when they spend $37, and then within 30 days, when we pay all of our affiliates every 30 days or so, you'll get about $15. So of course, if you paste this in a Facebook post, for example, and 10 people click on it, 5 people buy, and now you're talking $350, about $150, you know, for doing nothing but pasting a link. We handle all tech support, we'll handle the software downloads and everything. All you do is paste the link and you get paid for it. So you can come to this payout button and it'll show you exactly what you've earned. Now, this is a test account, of course, so I haven't earned anything, but your numbers will start populating here. Okay, you can see the statistics about how many people you've brought to the site. Here's your referrals, how many visits have come from your link. Okay, there, here's the link that I just pasted in. I've already had 1 visit. It has not converted yet. But today, I actually populated this list by clicking on this link. Okay, then we're gonna go to creatives. Here is where we have different graphics for you to paste into your website. Okay, so we have individual box shots. This is a zip file. If you click it, a zip file will be downloaded to your computer, and when you open it, you're gonna get a whole bunch of images that you can paste into your site. Now, let me show you something here really quick. Okay, so these are just zip files with a whole bunch of graphics inside them that you can use on your website. Okay, if you scroll down a little bit more on the creatives page, you're gonna see other graphics that you can just simply copy and paste the HTML code into your site. So this will take the user directly to the graphics creator. If you click on it, you'll notice that it takes me to the page that we sell the graphics creator with, okay? Going back, this page, if you copy and paste this code, or just basically download the graphic if you want to. But this specific code will take the user directly to the 300 Mascots page. So they can purchase it right smack there. Okay, super easy. Every one of our products has code that you can paste into your site, and it'll take the user right to the eCover and Mockup creator instead of the home page. There's our YouTube banners, social media, scenery creator, people images, all this stuff, okay? Super easy. Okay, now I want to show you 2 cool things that this affiliate program will allow you to do. So we're going to come back to the affiliate URLs. So what this is, you can you can paste in any page of our website. Here, let me show you. Let's go to Laughingbird Software, and I want to promote the motion graphics, okay? So I'm just going to click on it. Whoops, click on it. And this is the URL of the motion graphics. And we're gonna paste that page right here. And I'm gonna call this motion graphics so I don't forget, and I'm gonna generate the URL. Okay, now you'll notice that link has been generated with your affiliate code in there so that when people purchase the motion graphics, you're gonna get the sale. Now, with that said, check this out. We have a free version that you can give away to all of your customers. Now watch how cool this is. So here, let me just click on the link to show you. Now, the free version, people can download it. Your customers can download it, you can download it, but it contains a watermark over all of the graphics. But it'll at least show them how cool the software is to use. So let me show you. I'm gonna launch my free version real quick. Let me show you. So when they first launch it, it's going to have watermarks. And what I mean by that is, if I make this bigger for you to see. So it contains 40 templates, okay? And let's see the watermarks. If I click on one, you'll see what I mean. Okay, see the watermarks? And when you save it, same thing. So you can at least play with the software and go to photos and videos and type in Hawaii, and you can bring Hawaii over into the design if you want to. Send it to the back, delete the floor, and now make him bigger. So at least your visitors will see how cool the software is. So you're going to come down here and you're going to copy this link. Copy it, and you're going to come to the page URL thing, and you're going to paste it like before. And you're going to generate the URL. Bam. Okay, now this link is going to take the user to the free trial page, this download page with a video showing how cool the software is. They can download it, and it's also going to drop a cookie onto the user's machine. So if they ever come back to buy anything a day later, a month later, up to 3 months later, okay, and they purchase the motion graphics, because that cookie is activated on their machine, you're going to get half of this sale. So when the user is getting into this and they're understanding how to do it, they can come inside the software and come up here to get more designs, and when they click on that, you will make a sale for all of it. They can add to the cart too. So if they buy the scenery creator and the text effects, now you've doubled the sale. So your cookie is activated and you get credit for the sale if you make sure that you give them this URL with your referral link in it. Okay, now how are you going to make them purchase? So let me show you one more thing before I let you go. So I have spent a good amount of time creating video for each of the software products. As I told you before, when you come to any of the products and you click on the demo, you're gonna get a video. But notice how this video pops up. Instead of leaving the site and going to YouTube, it pops up the YouTube video on the page. And I'm gonna show you how I did that. I have installed a free plugin. Now this only works for WordPress, so if you're not using WordPress, then you might have to find another solution for this. But if I come over here to the plugins, I'll show you what I've installed. Okay, it's called Easy Fancy Box. Now, I'm going to show you. Now, my goal in this video is not to teach you how to use WordPress plugins, so you might have to do some research on that if you don't know. But you just basically want to go to the Add New, and then come over here and search for Easy Fancy Box. And here it is right here, and I've already activated it. It's installed. If you come over here to Settings, it allows you to pop up a fancy box, the little pop-up window. If you paste a YouTube URL or a Vimeo URL. So let me show you what this is good for. Come to the home page. Laughingbird Software has a YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to go to the Videos tab, and there's a lot of videos that you can entice your customers with. So for example, you can give them this one to create awesome YouTube graphics. And if you click it, hey there, Creatorpreneurs. So I basically walk them through creating a YouTube banner, and all you have to do is click on the share button here on YouTube and copy the URL. And in my website, I'm gonna go edit one of my posts. Okay, let's take my About page, for example. I'm gonna edit this page, and right here, let's say I wanna make this whole thing a link. So I'm gonna highlight this, and I'm gonna add the URL, add the YouTube link into the Word, okay? And then update the page, and now you'll notice the user will never leave this page, but, oh, well, this theme doesn't let me see underlines, but whatever, you got the idea. It's gray. If I click on it, the video pops up without them ever leaving my website. They can see what we're all about. So with that said, what this is good for is that when you're creating your new page, let me show you something really quick. I'm gonna upload an image that I showed you before. So I'm gonna upload it. So this is one of the zip files that I downloaded earlier. Okay, the ad creator, perfect. I'm gonna click that, open it. There's the ad creator. Okay, go to the videos on YouTube. Find the video that has to do with the ads. Here, create your own ads. And I'm gonna share the video. Come back over to my page. I'm gonna add that link here. Paragraph, and you can see, watch how cool this product is. And then I'm gonna paste my link from YouTube into that Word. And now I have an ad here that should have the URL to the purchase, so that when they click on this banner here, they'll get the sale. But underneath, I see watch how cool this is. If I click it, pops the window up right here, and it doesn't go to the YouTube channel. It stays right there so the user can see.
Hey there, Creatorpreneurs. Welcome to another.
How cool the ad
so
creator
over here,
is.
we'll just simply
puppies, and this will say 4. Okay? Collars for puppies, that is an ad, and then you can type in your URL. There you go. And they can close that and they say, I love it. And you can even have a buy now button right here with a link that you created from the tools that you have on the Laughingbird affiliate. Awesome! I hope that helped explain things. So hop over to the affiliate page. You'll see a link somewhere around this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. And also, I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.